everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making the remarkable Paneer Tikka Masala. This North Indian dish is paneer cheese with a spicy gravy. This can be served with rice, roti, or naan bread. However, if you're looking for the healthier option, you can serve it with quinoa or on top of a salad. Paneer Tikka Masala is so delicious, it stands in a class of its own. So let's get started making this outstanding dish. Let's get started into the ingredients. 16 ounces of paneer cut into small squares, 4 tomatoes, a half of a red onion, 3/4 cup plain yogurt, 1½ tablespoons garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 Serrano pepper, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek leaves, 1/3 cup Paneer Tikka Masala. Firstly is making the paneer marinade. Add 3/4 cup plain yogurt to a bowl. Add a half a teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder. Mix thoroughly. Add lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves. Add 16 ounces of paneer to the marinade, making sure to fully cover the paneer in the mixture. Marinate the paneer for 30 minutes. On medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil. Wait till the butter is fully melted. Add 1 serrano pepper, a half of a red onion, 1½ tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Give it a good mixing. Add a pinch of salt and continue to cook till the onions are translucent. Add tomatoes and mix. A half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1/3 cup Paneer Tikka Masala. Mix thoroughly. Cook till the tomatoes are soft, then turn off the heat and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Once it is cooled down, pour the mixture into a bowl. Next, pour the mixture into the blender. Blend it until it's a smooth texture. Pour the smooth gravy into a bowl and set it aside. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan on medium heat. Spread the butter on the pan. Now it's time to start grilling the marinated paneer. I'm using this grilling pan, however you can use a standard pan as well. Let the paneer cook 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the paneer is seared on both sides. On medium heat, add the smooth gravy to the pan. Mix so it evenly warms up the gravy. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Mix in thoroughly. Add 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves by rubbing your hands together as so. Helps break the leaves into smaller pieces. Next, add 2 tablespoons heavy cream and mix in. Add in the grilled paneer pieces. Fully mix it into the gravy. Time to plate this mouth-watering dish. It looks outstanding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paneer Tikka Masala is a favorite that keeps me coming back for more. Give this dish a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video.